01 Compendious.
Jame.
Containing a lot in a small space/few words. 02 Conciliatory.
Mafamana. Sula pasandana.
Bringing together, ending a dispute, soothing. 03 Concord.
Ittihad at ittifaq rai.
Agreement. 04 Condone.
Darguzar karna.
Tolerate. 05 Conflagration.
Atish zadgi.
Great fire. 06 Congenial.
Khushgawar.
Friendly, sociable, suitable. 07 Connoisseur.
Janne wala parkhne wala.
Expert with good taste/judgment. 08 Consecrate.
Waqf karna ba mukhtas karna.
Dedicate, make holy. 09 Consummate.
Mukammal karna.
Supremely good. 10 Contagious.
Mutaddi.
Passed on through touch, infectious. 11 Convergence.
Ijma.
Coming together. 12 Convivial. Sociable. 13 Copious.
Kasir.
In large amount. 14 Corollary.
Nitjasari.
Consequence, inference. 15 Corpulence.
Mota, bahut mota.
Very fatness. 16 Corroborated.
Sabit karna, tawseek karna.
Supported, given supporting evidence. 17 Credulity.
Har baat par yaqeen karne wala.
Belief on slight evidence. 18 Cumulative.
Musalsal बढ़ने wale.
Building up. 19 Cursory.
Sursary.
Superficial. 20 Curtail.
Pabandi lagana.
Cut short. 21 Dalliance.
Nazu niyaz.
Non-serious involvement, toying or playing. 22 Dearth.
Kami.
Shortage, lacking. 23 Debacle.
Sharmnak nakami.
Disaster. 24 Debilitate.
Kamzor.
Weaken. 25 Debunk.
Beniqab karna.
Throw out old ideas. 26 Deferment.
Iltiwa ta'khir.
Putting off. 27 Deleterious.
Muzir muhlik.
Harmful. 28 Deliberation.
Ghaur khoz.
Careful thought. 29 Delineate.
Khaka banana bolakir kheenchna.
Outline. 30 Demagogue.
Bazari leader.
Mob leader, agitator. For more upcoming new videos, subscribe our channel. Dawn vocabulary with Urdu meaning. 31 Demonstrative.
Muzahira karne wala.
Expressing emotions freely. 32 Denuded.
Jasi nanga auriya kar diya gaya ho.
Stripped. 33 Depreciatory.
Tahqir amez.
Devaluing, criticizing. 34 Derelict.
Lawaris.
Run down, abandoned. 35 Derided.
Tazhak karna. Mazak urana.
Mocked. 36 Despoiled.
Mayus.
Plunder, rob, deprive. 37 Devious.
Pechdar. Purfareb.
Cunning. 38 Didactic.
Muallimana talimi.
Intending to preach or teach, an act of teaching. 39 Dilatory.
Sust kanil. Ta'khir karne wala.
Slow, sluggish. 40 Disarming.
Khishkun.
Charming, unthreatening. 41 Discernment.
Samajh boj.
Judgment. 42 Discrepancy.
Ikhtilaf.
Inconsistency. 43 disillusioned.
गलत फहमी से आज़ादी.
Freed from wrong ideas. 44 disingenuous.
मक्कारी, चालबाजी.
Crafty, double dealing. 45 disparaging.
नफी करना, कम कदरी करना.
Critical. 46 distension.
फैलाओ.
Swelling, distend, expand. 47 multifarious.
अनवाओ अक़साम का.
Having many aspects. 48 myopic.
करीब नजरी में आंख के अंदर हलाली गोमर बनना.
Short-sighted, literal or metaphoric. 49 naivete.
भूला भाला.
Innocence, lack of worldliness. 50 nefarious.
बदमाश, बदकिरदार.
Infamous, very wicked. (51) negate.
इनकार करना.
Wipe out, nullify. 52 nemesis.
जहर कातिल रोग.
Fate, doom. 53 nihilism.
मुनकिर मजहब.
Belief in nothing, anarchy. 54 nondescript.
मजहूल. गैर मरूफ. नाम शख्स.
Having no special qualities, ordinary. 55 notoriety.
बदनामी.
Infamy. 56 obsequious.
चापलूस.
Slavish, fawning. 57 occlusion.
बंद करना.
Shutting out. 58 officious.
सरकारी.
Interfering. 59 onerous.
सख्त बोझल बोझ डालना.
Burdensome. 60 opacity.
धुंधलापन.
Lack of transparency, being opaque. 61 opportunism.
मौका परस्त.
Grabbing opportunities. 62 opting.
इंतखाब करना, तरजीह देना.
Choosing. 63 opulence.
ऐशो इशरत.
Lavish display of wealth. 64 ornate.
मुज़य्यन ज़ेबाइशी.
Extremely decorated. 65 overhaul.
नया कर देने का अमल.
Renovate, examine. 66 palliative.
आराम पहुंचाने वाली शा.
Easy pain. 67 pathos.
रिक़्क़त अंगेज़ी, कैफियत.
Sadness, stirring the emotions, gloomy. 68 paucity.
कमी.
Scarcity, shortage. 69 peer.
हम रुतबा.
An equal, to look closely at. 70 peevishness.
बदअख़लाक़ी.
Childish sullenness, irritability. (71) penchant. 71 penchant.
ज़बरदस्त रुझान.
Tendency, leaning toward, liking. 72 penurious.
खेल कंजूस.
Miserly. 73 perquisites.
इज़ाफ़ी मुराद.
Perks, STH you receive for your job. 74 petulant.
शोखी.
Touchy, sulky, peevish. 75 phlegmatic.
काहिल.
Calm, imperturbable. 76 phobic.
खौफ का मर्ज़.
Fearful, root phobia always implies fear. 77 pilfer.
चुराना.
Steal, filch, rustle. 78 placid.
पुरसुकून.
Peaceful, calm, serene. 79 plaudits.
तहसीन.
Praise. 80 pliant.
मोड़ने के काबिल.
Flexible. 81 polarized.
यकतफा हो जाना.
Divided into two extremes.
82 pragmatism. अमली.
Practicality. 83 preclude.
बाज रखना.
Prevent, make impossible. 84 precursor.
मुकद्दिम खबर रसा.
Forerunner, STH comes before. 85 predilection.
रुझान.
Liking for, penchant. 86 presumption.
गुमान.
Assuming too much. 87 profundity.
पेचीदगी.
Depth, of ideas/thoughts. 88 propensity.
रुझान.
Tendency, leaning predilection. 89 proponent.
हामी.
Supporter. 90 prosaic.
सादा.
Ordinary, dull. 91 prospectus.
कवाइफ नामा.
Brochure. 92 prudent.
मोहतात.
Wise, cautious. 93 punctilious.
नाजुक तब.
Meticulous. 94 purportedly.
माना जाता है, समझा जाता है.
Apparently claiming. 95 quell.
दबा देना. मिटाना. खात्मा कर देना. काबू पा लेना. मगलूब कर लेना. खात्मा होना.
Suppress, to stop STH such as prots. 96 quixotic.
शेख चलीक मंचल.
Idealistic, impractical. 97 radical.
बुनियादी.
Revolutionary. 98 docile.
पढ़ाए जाने के काबिल.
Obedient, subservient. 99 dubious.
मशकूक.
Doubtful. 100 eclectic.
इंतखाबी.
Taking things from different sources, selective. For more upcoming new videos, subscribe our channel. Dawn vocabulary with Urdu meaning. Like, subscribe, share and comments.